I don't know, you see a huge fireball burn in my hand and go up to the ceiling and all that, I'm not going to have any kids sleeping, and every one of those people are out there asking, how? And as soon as you get the kid asking how or why, I can rope them in and get that intrigue going. Let's get his love of learning.
Outside of school, that's what he's told us before, so it makes me feel like he really cares about me, and I know he does. And he's a good man, and he will go out his way for you.